Hey y'all, it's Bear. Look here, it's Tuesday and it's a special Tuesday. Last week we finished up 52 Canteen cup and cooking videos. So we're gonna celebrate. It's birthday time. Season 2 of Canteen Cup Tuesday. We're gonna make a cake in a Canteen cup. I'm pretty excited. But it's gray skies, it's getting dark fast, so we're gonna jump right in and get this guy going, okay? What I have here is I have these 2 little cake pans that mostly fit in my Canteen cup, and I'm gonna cover it with foil, put it on my stove with a trioxane tablet, and that's how we're gonna bake this guy. At least that's what we're gonna try to do. And let's see, I've got salted caramel brownie, or I've got lemon cake, or hot chocolate cake. Hot chocolate cake, that sounds right for camp. And these are mug cakes that you bake in the microwave. You just add water. Let's see, I'm just gonna mix it up right in my container here. Take my camp fork whisk, and we're gonna mix that guy in. Oh, it's got little marshmallows and stuff, man. Hot chocolate cake. This is awesome. I think I'm going to add a tablespoon of water here. That looks really, really dry. Maybe almost a tablespoon. And I bought some cooking spray, and I forgot to squirt it in there, so we're going to see how non-stick these pans really are. Here we go. Clean my fork. Oh, if that's an indication, we're in for a treat. There we go, one cake. One oven door. All right, let's move to the ground and cook. There we go, we're taking a flame. And I'm gonna put one on top, kind of like a Dutch oven. There it goes. That's a Coghlan's on top. They burn for about 7 minutes. That one down below, it'll burn for 14 minutes. Wow, that bottom Esbit cube burned up quick. My top cube is still going. I'm curious, I'm gonna put a thermostat in there and see what kind of temperature we have inside. All right, let's open it up and see if it got done. Ooh. I think it's done. Might have burnt the edges just a little. All right, Hold on, we need the cup. We need the cup. Happy Canteen Cup cooking birthday, y'all. Wow, we got cake on the trail. And wow. Here's to a year of more adventures on the trail. Man, I'm excited. I'm gonna crack this guy open and see just how well we did. Oh yeah, she's cooked through. Oh wow, that's good. I got a little coffee. It's down. Hey, my little thermostat's going. It's equalized out at 47 degrees. I've got fresh hot cake. I got hot coffee. I'm a happy bear, y'all. This is awesome. Wow. Thank you, Duncan Hines. There you go. There's a little cleanup involved. I did get a little bit of scorching on the edges. Not much, a little bit. Cake in a canteen cup. I'm happy. We'll see you on the trail. A little bit of crustiness on some of the edges. Pull it when you start smelling it, okay? It still tastes good. Hey, on a side note, had I made my oven door big enough to wrap the bottom of the canteen cup, I could have just balled up my cleanup for the canteen cup. But I'm gonna have some cleanup from the trioxane. But that would have been easy, just to wrap it. Just thought. We'll see you on the trail.